Everybody, back in the video. Today we're gonna do sniper and shotguns only. Yep, you heard me. Sniper, shotguns only. I don't know what skin I should wear. I'm doing the sniper skin. Let's do. Uruguay. I like the blue. Okay. Duval for health since there's no solos. Let's go. Guys, the Pirates of the Caribbean is finally out. And I'm not wasting my money on this. It's not bad, but it's also not good. Okay. So we are in. Sniper shotgun only. Let's absolutely do this. Whew. I know I've always landed at Dusty Docks, but for some reason I feel like there's no snipers at Dusty Docks, and my teammate is, it looks good, and because he's marking tilted. So I guess we're landing tilted. And then try to land up. Somebody's already there. I'm just landing here. Yes, it's one mag. I can't use it. Okay, shotgun. On a shotgun. Yeah, shotguns are gonna be easy to find, but just the problem is the snipers. That's 100% gonna be a problem. That I'm not gonna have a sniper. Okay. A better pump. That's good. With no people. Well, not people where I am. But also my teammate doesn't know that I'm only using snipers and shotties. So if my teammate dies, he's gonna be like, "Bro, what is this gonna slow down?" Nice to know. Oh wait, this guy's a sniper. Oh no, he doesn't. Bro, I ran out of mats. You gotta be actually kidding me. And of course I don't have a sniper. Oh, he is a sniper. I'm just gonna reboot. No, if I had an AR, I would have lasered him. I have to drop my AR. Shake up. I don't know if the guy is still up there. Yeah, he's not. No, I am so bad. Sorry, teammate. I am so bad. What am I doing? And teammate, I'm doing. Oh, thanks, teammate. Thank you. Wait, Mashadi. Okay, this is a pretty good loadout. I just need ammo. Okay, so there's some kids that I'm gonna poop on with my one bullet. Actually, if I have one bullet left, if I miss this, I'm gonna do so much. I missed. This kid's bad. Baby. Back here, monkey. You monk. Come back here. best loot ever. Give me that shotty. Actually, I want the thunder. Actually, I want to keep my hunting rifle. That's for like close range. Then I'll get the. But that guy has insane loot, but he sucks. Okay, I'd say my loot is really good so far. But I would have clipped that kid if I had mats. Okay, now I have 4 mats. So storm's coming in. So we're just heading away from Tilted, and yes, I did find this blue hunting rifle. So now my lottery is a blue hunting rifle, a purple thunder shotgun, a blue bolt action, a grappler with 3 grapples, and 6 minis. I'd say that this is good. Oh my! Teammate help. Teammate help. I'm dead. Dude, come on, this is the perfect loot. No, I was gonna die anyways. I'm just gonna swoop back down. Yes! Nice teammate, nice. Oh, my teammate. Dude, I'm gonna have to use an AR. To be honest, there is nothing I could do. I'm not cheating, well, it kind of is, but I have to use an AR. So I'm going on to my loot. Shotgun. I'm dead. The enemy took my shotty. Okay, I hit him. That's actually what a flip shot. Come on. Okay, we're gonna play another one. Never mind, I'm not playing another one. I did it because I forgot to record it and it did not go so well. Subscribe for part 2.